Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix a Minecraft error. Minecraft launcher is not available in your account. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First just type here date and time, and then make sure to enable set time automatically and go back. And now type here Minecraft launcher, right click on it, go to app settings, scroll down and click repair, and next one close this window and type here Microsoft Store, and now right click on it and go to app settings, and now scroll down and click repair, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.